Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a super practical topic: how to deposit money from your US bank account straight to SoFi in 2025. Whether you're switching banks, building your investment portfolio, or just managing your finances smarter, this step-by-step guide will make it a breeze. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up with both US Bank and SoFi. Log into your US Bank online portal or mobile app. It's usually as simple as entering your username and password. Don't forget to enable two-factor authentication for security. Once you're in, navigate to the Transfers or Payments section. Look for an option like External Transfers or Add Account. Here, you'll need to add SoFi as a recipient. Enter your SoFi account details carefully. This includes your account number and routing number, which you can find in your SoFi app under Account Settings. After adding the account, verify it. US Bank might send a small test deposit to your SoFi account, usually around 1 cent to $1, and you'll have to confirm that amount back in your US Bank app. This step ensures everything's secure and accurate. Now, for the actual transfer. Select the amount you want to move, double-check all the details, and hit confirm. In 2025, expect this to process quickly, often within 1 to 3 business days, depending on the banks. Keep an eye on any potential fees. US Bank might charge a small transfer fee, so check their latest policies. One quick tip: always monitor your accounts after the transfer to avoid any surprises. If you run into issues, contact customer support for both banks. They're there to help. There you have it. Depositing money from US Bank to SoFi is straightforward and secure. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more finance tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.